Hello everyone, let's continue and understand another important command. So here we have the next command is your cut. Cut command is basically it cuts the fields and columns from the text output and files. We have a lot of files in the Linux operating system or any operating system, and if I want to cut anything from the file, we can use cut command. We can use cut with a lot of options. So let's do the lab session so that you can understand how we can use the cut command. So I'm just taking an example here. I have a file passwd, and here you can see that this file is having a lot of entries. Each line you can see that entries are there, and here one thing is common like colon. We'll come to that. So here suppose I want to cut 2 characters from each line. So how we can do that? Simple, I'm using cat this passwd side, and cut -c is for the character. I want first 2. So what will happen? It will cut 2 characters from here to here to here and to here from each line. We'll show you how you will get the output. So the output is coming like that. If you want to cut 1 to 4 characters, so it would be coming like that. So this is the one thing. Another thing is that you can use the delimiter as well. So what is delimiter here? For delimiter you have to look for anything which is common in each line. Here I can see that this colon is common in each line. So here you can see colon, and there are a lot of entries, they are separated with colon in each line, you can see that. So my delimiter I can choose here. So instead of this I can use delimiter. So what is delimiter here? My delimiter is colon. So if there is any other file, so you have to look for the delimiter. It could be colon, it could be hash, it could be dollar. So you have to look and you have to understand from yourself. And after that you can look for the field. If I am putting F1, so what will happen? Field 1. So this is my first colon, and F1 is your root here. So if I am pressing enter, what will happen? It will print only the first field, that is root, bin, daemon, adm, lp, sync. Let me show you. If I want second colon, second field, so second field which is separated by colon, that is your x. This is the first, second, first, and then colon x, then 0. If I am pressing 3, so it will be coming like that. If I am pressing 1 and 2, so it will print both the field, that is 1 and 2. If I am pressing this, so it will print 1 or 2. If I am using 1, 2, so what will happen? It will print the same thing. So instead of you can use this way as well. Okay, so difference is that if you are pressing 1 or 2, 1 or 3, so it will print 1, 2 and 3. But if you are giving 1, 3, so it will print 1 and 3 only. So here the difference, if you are pressing 1 and 3, so it will print 1 field, second field and third field. If you are pressing this only, so it will print only 1 and third field. Let's move to the next command. So the next command is your short command. So that's also an important command. So short command is basically used to sort information provided on standard input. So short command basically it is used to sort a file, arranging the records in a particular order. Suppose I have a file, a lot of entries are there. I want that all the entries should be arranged alphabetically. Then I can use sort. So let's do some practice on that so that you can understand how we can use the sort command. So here I have a file, this one. So a lot of entries are there. Now I want to arrange those entries. Here you can say A, C, S. It is not alphabetically, so I can use sort, and I can simply give this file .txt. Now you can see that it has been arranged alphabetically. right? So like this way, if you have any file, like I have another file, one more file, this one, this abc file 1.txt. So this file is having some number. If any file is having some number, you can use, instead of this, you can use -n option, and then you can give number 1. So for number, if any file is having some number, you can use an option, so it will arrange that. So the first file was this one. I have simply used this one and I got an output. If I want to do it in reverse order, then what I can do that here, I can use -r. This is what I'm getting an output here. Now you can see that it is in reverse order. Okay, and if I have any file which is having number, you can use this one. It is in reverse order. If I am removing it, that will be coming like that. Sometimes, you know, I have seen that with the short command they are using K option as well. So Unix provides the features of shorting a table on the basis of any column number by using K. Suppose I have a file, in that file I have a column. So I do have a file, this one. Here you can see that I have, you know, columns are there. The first column, I can see the manager, clerk, employee, peon, director and guard. And in the second column, I can see few numbers are there. If I want to short such file, I can do short -k and abc.com. So what will happen here? It is showing that invalid number at the field start. So for that I have to, you know, provide the, you know, column number as well. So for that you can simply use this one, short this one. You are getting an output C, D, E, G, M and P. Now what I need, I want that this file, let me first cat this file, will show you how we can use the K option here. Now I want that this file should be short with second column. Then I can use short -k, this one. So these are the numbers, so I am using 2n. Now you can see that this column has been shorted. The first column is not short, so it has looked for the number which has started with the lowest one, 3000, 4000, 4500 and 5000, 6000 and 9000. So this K option, I believe you have understand. If you want to short with the column. So here I want to short with column, and the column is my second column. If you want to make it reverse, you can put R here. So it has been, you know, done it with that. So with the, you know, K option, you can do the, you know, shorting with respect to the column. So friend, that's all for this lecture. Hope you have, you know, understanding the basics of commands. And once you will be doing practice from your own, you will getting a lot of exposure and understanding about different commands that we are discussing here. So thanks for watching, and if you have time, please join with me in the next lecture.